In today's video, I'll show you how to send follow-up emails in Calendly step by step. Follow-up emails are a great way to thank attendees, share resources, request a feedback, or encourage the next step after a meeting has ended. First, sign into your Calendly account and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Workflows section. Depending on your Calendly plan, you may find this under the Automation or Notifications area. Now click Create Workflow to set up a new automated action. From the available workflow options, choose Email Follow-up. Next, select the event type that should trigger the follow-up email. For example, you might choose a consultation, coaching session, discovery call, or sales meeting. After that, decide when the email should be sent. You can send it immediately after the meeting ends, a few hours later, or even several days afterward, depending on your goal. Now customize the email content. Enter a subject line and write the message you want attendees to receive. You might thank them for attending, share meeting notes, provide helpful resources, request a review, or include a link to book another session. Calendly also allows you to use dynamic variables that automatically insert information such as the attendee's name, event details, and meeting date. Once you've finished customizing the email, click Save or Activate Workflow. Your follow-up email will now be sent automatically whenever someone completes that event type. If you use multiple event types, you can create separate follow-up workflows tailored to each meeting category. Before finishing, schedule a test booking and verify that the follow-up email is sent correctly and contains the information you expect. And that's how you send follow-up emails in Calendly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.